Good morning everyone. Good morning. It's Shana the girl, but they're here with a quick update. So this quick update is gonna be very quick because I'm at work, so I have to make it short. So I just have a few things to say. Yes, I haven't posted anything basically compare towards my plan that I said in my previous weight loss and journey. So I have a few things coming along. Everybody knows it takes time with editing and all of those things, but you know what? From the other day I was thinking about it. I can't really pressure myself too much into the whole heap of recording things and stuff, like not recording, like editing things like that. So if it's raw and send out, that's how I'm gonna do it. So just bear with anything that pretty much into this, because as I said, I'm just using my phone for record this today. Moving. I am moving from one place to the next, and it's kind of overwhelming right now. So everything is basically up in the year. So with that said, no, everything is not basically set. There's just a few things in the lifestyle change that I wanted to do, and I couldn't really do that because it's hard. Everybody know when I move, bully patting. So I'm still gonna go. I'm still gonna be on my weight loss journey. I haven't been eating garbage, but I haven't been eating the healthiest thing that I should be eating still. So yeah, the second thing is I did do my cleanse. I did it for like 3 days. Was going on to the fourth, and I'm like, I'm really hungry. I can't stand this anymore. So I did break it like at the 3 day mark. So I did plan to do two, but I did went on to three, which was good. So I did do that. But all over again to kickstart again. I'll probably go on a next cleanse, but before so I have to talk to my doctor again. And coming on to the doctor part, I did my checkup. Every lady know that every year they basically do a checkup with your, every woman know your normal checkup you might normally do. So I did my checkup this year. I normally do it the earlier part of the year, but I did, for somehow everything got pushed back. So I did it, finally got it done and everything like that. My blood work and everything. And um it's sad to say, my she told me that my PCO is back again. And if you have seen my videos before, if you've seen how I got pregnant, then you would know that I have PCOS problem. Like it's just in my family genes basically, and I guess every female have it, but you know TMI, once your cycle comes around, everything does shed, but mine, it just sticks around and grows bigger, so it's harder to get pregnant. Also, if you don't know what PCOS is, it means you have cysts on your ovaries. So yeah, and it won't let you release egg when it's ovulation time. Anyway, I'm not really gonna get into that. That's a different story. So it's back, and my diet have to definitely change completely. Like certain things I won't be able to eat. My doctor did say we need to sit down and talk, but she did say that I have to basically go on I low carb and high fat, and that will help me. So I basically have to go change everything. I have to go change now. So I'll keep you updated with all of those changes too. And what else? So what would be next for me now? What would be next is settle down where I moved to now, and getting everything back on track. Talking with my doctor if she decides to send me to a dietitian, which I don't think. She probably is gonna discuss with me what I should really avoid from eating and those things. Even though I can do my own research, but she's a family doctor, so I've trusted her for over years. So that's just basically it. So I get all of those things, and I put them in play. I have to change my lifestyle. I have to. I don't. The thing with PCOS is a regular person, regular female, probably work out and bam, them drop the weight instantly if they put in all of that work. But for people like me that have the PCOS, it's harder because we have to lose twice as much as the other person, so we have to work twice as hard. So it's hard, and it's sometimes it's discouraging because with PCOS, when the weight is going on you, the part that the weight goes on you is your midsection, so your abdomen and those places. and that is very discouraging. But anyway, I'm not gonna make this longer than what it's supposed to be, but I'll still keep you updated. I'll still keep you updated with my weight loss journey. Yes, I did fall for a while, but I am going to, you know, get everything settled, and I'll be up and going again. So this is just a quick one. So thank you for watching. Please do subscribe and like. So Shana the Girl, you will be seeing more of me. Alright, bye.